this is my camera, and I want to show you something that the maintenance man here did. You remember, this is the Norton door closer, but if you look, hey, it looks like he preloaded the arm out. Some of you guys may be thinking it was, well, I thought it was fine the way it was, but he didn't like it, and there's the speed adjustments. And yes, it still does slow down, matter of fact. And it shuts, I think, a little bit better into the frame. Let's demonstrate it. Made it a few times. See? It shuts nice and easily into the frame. Let's give that a little bit more, give that a shot. One more time, and that'll be it.